Hey guys, welcome to Gamer Cooking. I'm gonna change things up. From now on, I'll be making some healthy recipes because they help me stay regulated, and a lot of people are eating junk food these days, so this is a good recipe for you to do. I'll show you how to make food I actually eat at home so I can stay regulated, and it helps me tackle complex problems throughout the day and I don't get frustrated. Today we're gonna make chicken tikka masala and basmati rice with veggies. We're gonna start with rice, and this is 1 cup of organic basmati rice. I'm gonna wash it and rinse it until it's clean. So with one hand hold the bowl and with the other mix the rice in, and look at the quality of the water. See, when it's clear, that means it's clean. Refill it with water. Now the water is clear. Take 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil. You just need to use twice as much water as much rice. Now while we wait for the water to boil, we're gonna prep the veggies. So these are green beans. Chop them up here. You also want to cut up bell pepper and carrots and scallions. Now we're gonna prep the chicken with a dash of olive oil in a Dutch oven or a skillet. The tikka masala has a lot of spices in it. We're just gonna season the chicken with salt and pepper. So then take the chicken and drop it in. This is on medium-low heat. Put the lid on. We've been cooking the chicken on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. Now you can turn them over. So we're gonna add the whole can of tikka masala. Then cover it up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now that the water for the rice is boiling, we can add the rice in, and you can use your hands. Bring the water down to a simmer and cover it with the lid and cook for 20 minutes. When there's about 7 to 5 minutes left of cooking for the rice, add in the peppers, carrots, green beans, and scallions. We're gonna add half a cup of tomato sauce that my dad made from tomatoes from our garden. It's just to give it some more flavor. And guess what? Cover it back up again until it finishes cooking. Garlic naan is just an Indian style flatbread. I like to warm my naan up in the toaster so that you can butter it and put garlic powder on it. So first, scoop the rice out onto a plate. I do like having herbs with my food. This is cilantro. It can be very nutritious.
Cilantro especially. Cilantro goes really well with this, I think. Okay. Here's my chicken. Looks super flavorful. Mm-hmm. It's great. That's a great recipe. So this special naan with butter here. I'm gonna skip the garlic, but I like buttered naan too.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, ring the notification bell to see my future content, and Lee Seed, you're lucky, because pretty soon on my channel, I'm going to play some of the new Rolling Sky levels and Dancing Line. Bye guys.